So today's episode of Janak brings emotional warmth, strong family bonding, and an unexpected political twist. As Rishi's family finally stands firm beside Janak during one of the most difficult phases of her life. The episode begins with Sanj Bati talking emotionally about Rishi's recent struggle. She says Rishi has become mentally exhausted fighting against a system that refuses to value honesty and integrity. According to her, Rishi was never someone who could sacrifice his principle just to save his career. Dadabai proudly supports Rishi's decision. He says choosing self respect over compromise is far more important than holding on to any powerful position or title. Indumati becomes emotional and admits she always felt proud watching Rishi serve as a police officer. But Dadabai immediately replies that he feels equally proud of him even today because real success comes from values, not designation. Soon the conversation shifts towards Janak. Mishti says Rishi's love for Janak made him choose relationship and humanity over convenience. According to her, Janak means everything to him now. The family then discusses what to do next, and Dadabai makes an emotional announcement. He says they should immediately travel to Simbol Bani and stand beside Rishi and Janak instead of leaving them alone during such a difficult time. Tanushri agrees instantly, saying Janak has taught the entire family important lessons about courage and humanity. The next morning brings a beautiful emotional reunion. Rishi's family finally arrives in Simbol Boni. Janak becomes genuinely happy and emotional seeing everyone there for her. Tanushri immediately notices that Janak looks weak and exhausted. Although Janak tries hiding her pain by insisting she is completely fine, Tanushri understands the truth instantly. She emotionally hugs Janak and says she always hides her struggle while silently carrying everyone else's burden. Soon the family begins praising Janak openly. Dadabai makes a heartfelt statement and says they did not come there out of sympathy or charity. They came because they genuinely believe in Janak's mission and values. He praises her upbringing and says very few people dedicate themselves to society the way she does. Mishti then lightens the atmosphere with a joke. She teasingly tells Rishi that he now has competition because Janak's heart belongs not only to him but to the entire village. Everyone laughs warmly. For a brief moment, all the tension disappears. Then Dhritiman makes an honest confession. He admits that earlier he believed Janak made emotional decision without thinking practically. But after seeing her dedication and sacrifices closely, he now realizes she was right all along. Indumati lovingly advised Janak to finally start taking proper rest because she cannot continue exhausting herself forever. Rishi smiles softly and jokes that Janak probably does not even understand the meaning of the word rest. Soon, Tanushri proudly tells Rishi that the entire family feels proud of him too for standing beside truth and justice despite everything. Dhamu also apologizes for misunderstanding Janak in the past. Janak calmly responds by asking why people assume success changes a person completely. She says, uh, she says she remains exactly the same person she always was. And then comes a beautiful emotional moment. Rishi quietly says Janak never changed. And maybe that is exactly why he fell even deeper in love with her. The heartfelt confession touches everyone emotionally. Dadabhai reminds the family that Rishi never abandoned his values even while fighting powerful systems. Abhimanyu also admits he once advised Janak to think more about herself instead of carrying everyone's responsibilities. But now he understands that her greatest strength lies in never changing her nature. Soon, another surprising twist enters the story. A local MLA suddenly arrives to meet Janak personally. Janak respectfully welcomes him while everyone watches curiously. The MLA openly praises her work and says he has heard villagers speak very highly of both Janak and Rishi. According to him, Janak has achieved things that even government systems sometimes fail to accomplish. Janak feels uncomfortable hearing such praise and humbly says she has done nothing extraordinary. But the MLA takes the conversation in an unexpected direction. He tells Janak that village women trust her deeply and people naturally follow her leadership. According to him, she has tremendous political influence and leadership potential. Then comes the shocking proposal. The MLA invites Janak to join politics. He promises support, resources, and opportunities to help even more people. But Janak immediately refuses. She firmly says that politics is not something she wants in her life. The MLA smiles knowingly and says honest people usually avoid politics, but perhaps honest people are exactly what politics truly needs. Still, Janak remains firm in her decision and politely declines the offer. The MLA respects her choice and leaves, but his words leave everyone deep in thought as the episode ends on a meaningful and emotional note, hinting that even a bigger journey may be still be waiting ahead for Janak and Rishi. Thank you for watching. Bye.